Today, I'm cooking with wild fennel. Bulb fennel is a pretty common vegetable and you probably know it from the supermarket, but there's also this, wild fennel. If you've ever had fennel tea, that's the seeds of this plant. It's a perennial, meaning once planted, it grows again every year. Super easy. The greens are also very delicious and you can make a bunch of things with them, so let's do that. Get a few stalks of fennel, soy yogurt, salt, and onion and garlic powder. If you have an opinion about garlic powder, you can use fresh. I'm sorting the tender green parts from the stalks. But don't get rid of the stalks. Cut them up and add them to a salad or crunch on them for a snack. Give the fennel a chop and in a bowl add salt, yogurt and onion powder. Mix that up and we'll use this as a base for a few different things. First of all, I'm making salad dressing by adding oil, vinegar and some dried parsley. Next, you can use this base as a bread spread. Maybe add some chives or wild garlic flowers for extra flavor. Finally, for a warm variation, grab 2 carrots, peel and grate them. Add 2 spoons of flour, or a bit more if your base is very wet. Mix it all up until it sticks together. Then, using a spoon, form portions and fry them in a pan for about 4 minutes each side until they're golden brown. So here we have it, a salad with fennel stalks and wild fennel dressing, a wild fennel bread spread, and some wild fennel and carrot patties. I have not yet come up with a dessert option, but give me time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?